one chipboard is given to you which is black in color. You have to draw 3 inches marking on all the 4 sides. With a stencil you have to texture this at some places all around. Then you have to apply glossy accent to the places where you have not done texture. Apply embossing powders, any kind of glitters or any whatever you feel like, and just let it dry. Let the chipboard dry for the entire day. Then there is another chipboard given to you which is 12 by 12 and 2 papers given which is again 12 by 12 inches. One is to be attached to the chipboard down and one is on the top. The top one has to be distressed and toned like this in some parts. 1 year, 1 year and 1 year. You can attach that here on the chipboard. Then let that also dry. You have to attach the lace, the D die. Then there are 2 mount boards given to you. One has to be attached to the chipboard over here like this with 4 magnets. You have to make sure that when you put the magnets, you put a tape on it for to make it firm. Then draw the windows. Then on this you have to put a paper which is given to you. Cut out all the windows with a cutter. Then distress it. Put the lace, put the cuttings, put the tags, put the embellishments, flowers, the MDF cutouts with the glue gun. Keep this separate. Once you finish this, you have to attach the magnets behind at the same places for it to get it attached every time when you remove it. This is on it's complete on magnets. You can remove this, attach photos over here and again just press it. After doing all this, you have to give it for framing.